Hey guys, so if you're like me and you live in Seattle, then you know that this rain is no joke. I mean, take a look.
So when you're driving around in this for most of the year, it really takes a toll on your wiper blades. And these old ones just aren't cutting it, even after only a year of use. So I found a solution. Power Clear wiper blades from PowerStop. Inside the securely packed tube, we've got two Power Clear wiper blades for the front of my Jeep JLU. They also come with this handy windshield cleaner wipe. Okay, let's check out these wiper blades. Power Clear wipers are designed to provide maximum visibility in all weather conditions. They feature an aerodynamic design and built-in wear indicator. The beam blade is designed to provide consistent pressure at any driving speed. So let's head over to the shop and get these installed. Installation is super simple. Let's start by placing the wipers in their upright position. Now we can remove the old wiper blades. It's usually a simple tab and it just slides right off. Now for the passenger side. Side by side, you can really see the quality difference in these new Power Clear blades. Okay, so now we're ready to clean the windshield. Wipe it down thoroughly with the included wipe, leaving the windshield wet. Then, using a clean cloth, dry off the windshield. Now, grab the new wiper blades with the tab open and slide them onto the arms. Then just reattach the tab, passenger side down. To show you closer up on the driver's side, remove the wear indicator sticker, open the tab, slide the wiper blade onto the arm, and reattach the tab. It's that simple. So with the new blades installed, it's time to go test them out. And man, do these work great! They're a huge improvement over my old Bosch blades. If you're looking for wiper blades, grab yours at the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.